Hello friends, in this video I will repair this mixer. Let's begin. First of all, a friend of mine brought me this mixer and said there is not power on. I opened this power supply, and the original power supply, it's only a transformer with two different AC output, 18 plus 18 volts. I found this thermal fuse was blown, and I made a short circuit instead of thermal fuse. But I was happy just for a short time, because after I powered on this mixer, this transformer got warm very quick. And now let me show you why. So I took the power connector out of the mixer. Now let's power on the transformer, and this is the output. So we have, this is the common, we have 21 volts and 21 volts, and on the extreme we have 42 volts. That's good. Now let's put back the power connector, and the power button is off. Let's see now. As you can see, the voltage is good. Now let's power on the mixer. Now let's power on the power supply. Now let's insert power connector from the mixer. Now let's measure again. So I've took out this PCB from power supply, and I am sure that you can see what is the problem. We have here 4 capacitors in parallel with 4 rectifier diodes, and as you can see, this capacitor, it's completely burned, was in short circuit and was completely burned, and I must say that I am lucky. Now let's replace this capacitor. As you can see, it's original. So I've replaced this bad capacitor with another one, but I don't found exactly like this. So I exchanged this one. It's same value, it's 10.4, it's 100 nanofarads. And I put mine on 5 volts branch, and I moved the original one here because I didn't know exactly what voltage can support my capacitor. And now this should work. Let's put everything together and make a test. Now let's make a test. Let's measure the voltage on this transformer with power on and with power off. I forgot to tell you that when this capacitor was in short circuit, one of the outputs was also in short circuit. Now let's test. So power mixer is off. And the voltages are good. Now let's power on the mixer. Power LED is on. And now let's measure again the voltages. Now the voltages are good because we don't have short circuit. And everything seems good now. I can bet that now this transformer will not get warm because doesn't have short circuit. Now let's make a test with this mixer. Let's inject audio signal and let's test the output signal. So I've connected these headphones to the phone's output. I've connected this old phone getting signal, and as you can hear, it's working perfect. I cannot play music because it can be with copyright, and YouTube doesn't allow me to play copyright music. But as you can see, it's perfectly working. Now I can become a DJ. I can say that this time I was very lucky, but if you want to repair a mixer like this, you should give it a try and check input capacitors. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. And if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.